Alright, welcome back to Science Bites. In this video, let's dive into the fascinating world of genetics and unravel how Mendel unlocked the secrets of inheritance. Gregor Mendel, an Austrian monk with a passion for gardening, conducted groundbreaking experiments in the mid-1800s that laid the foundation for modern genetics. So what did Mendel do? He meticulously cross-pollinated pea plants with different traits and observed how these traits were passed down through generations. Through his experiments, Mendel discovered that traits don't blend, but are inherited in specific patterns. This led to the formulation of what we now call Mendel's laws of inheritance. First up, let's talk about the law of segregation. Mendel noticed that each individual has two alleles for each trait, one from each parent. These alleles segregate or separate during the formation of gametes, ensuring each gamete carries only one allele for each trait. In simpler terms, this means you inherit one allele from your mom and one from your dad. Now, onto the Law of Independent Assortment. Mendel found that the inheritance of one trait doesn't affect the inheritance of another. For example, the color of a pea pod doesn't influence its shape. This is because different traits are passed on independently of each other. But wait. How do dominant and recessive traits fit into all this? Well, Mendel discovered that some traits are dominant and will always appear if present, while others are recessive and only show up when the dominant trait is absent. For instance, in pea plants, the trait for tall height is dominant over short height. To predict how these traits are passed on, we use Punnett squares. These simple grids help us visualize the possible genetic combinations from our parents. Let's take a quick example. If we cross a pea plant with two dominant alleles for height, TT, with one that has two recessive alleles, TT, all offspring will inherit one dominant and one recessive allele, TTT, and will be tall because the dominant trait masks the recessive one. Mendel's work was revolutionary because it showed that inheritance follows specific rules, not random chance. His findings provided a clear explanation for how traits are passed down through generations, which was a massive leap forward in the field of biology. Today, Mendel's principles form the backbone of genetics, a field that's crucial for everything from medicine to agriculture. Understanding these basic concepts can help us grasp more complex genetic phenomena like genetic disorders and biotechnological advancements. So next time you look in the mirror and wonder why you have your dad's eyes or your mom's hair, remember, it's all thanks to Mendel's groundbreaking work. Genetics is a powerful tool that helps us understand the living world, and it all started with a humble monk and his pea plants. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop learning. Until next time, see you later.